Hey, everybody, and welcome back. This is my favorite thing to teach in all of English. I swear to you it is. And it's the magic E. The magic E. You're going to see how one letter, one silent letter, one letter that you do not pronounce, can change a whole word. It'll change an entire word. It'll knock you out. It will knock you out. So can becomes cane, for example. Same letters, almost, but one little E at the end changes the sound completely. It changes the sound of the vowel in the middle. It's crazy, but it's such a pattern. You see it so many times in English. It's such an important thing to learn. Why does that happen? And now we're going to learn it. We're going to learn it today. So let's remember the big idea. Every vowel has two sounds. Every vowel has two sounds. A quick and small sound like apple, but there's also something called a long A, and it's a long vowel sound. And a long vowel sound says its name. For example, the short vowel is A for A, but the long A sound is A, just like the name of the letter A. So, for example, this might be used in apple, and in apple, it's a short A, but in this long vowel, it says its own name. For example, cake, cake, cake. It's just sort of amazing how it does it, but it happens all the time. And not only with A, it happens with every vowel, I think. So let's do this one. The is just a short sound like a fist. Just a pum, But the long one is A. I can't get it in the screen. You can make it longer. A, right? A. So short is just boom, But long is A. It can be as long as you want. It can be forever. They call it short and long vowel sounds. And every vowel has both short and long vowel sounds. So say them with me. This first one, the short is A, like in apple. And the long one is A, like in cake, cake, A, cake. Look at these two. On the left, a can. This is a can. Can, the kind, I don't know, beans sometimes come in cans, soup comes in cans, sometimes vegetables come in cans. And on the right is almost the same word, except it has an E on the end, and it changes the sound, and it's a different word. It means something else. So the one on the right is cane. It has the long A sound, A, cane. So the one on the left is can, can. The one on the right is A, cane. We don't pronounce the E, but the E changes this from A to A, cane, cane. It's the long vowel sound. And a cane is maybe something you walk with. It's called a cane, cane. So short or long. Short can, long cane. And And which word do you hear when I say this? I'm going to say one of these two words. You decide which one you heard. Listen carefully. Cane. Which one did you hear? One or two? Did you hear the long, stretchy one, or did you hear the short one? Yeah, it's number two. It's cane. Cane. I said cane. Now this one, listen to this one. Can. Short and quick. Can. And which vowel sound do you hear? Which word? Is it one or two? Yeah, it's one. Can. So on the left, one is can, and on the right is cane. Cane. Very good. Let's go to the next one. There it is. Oh, yep, there it is. A cane. The long one. The one that says its name. And then when they say it says its name, the name of the letter is A, and the sound of the letter is A. So K-A, cane, cane. Say it one more time with me. Cane, cane. Good. Short or long? Here's our next pair. On the left is a man, 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 man. It's a short, quick A, ah. On the right is a mane. A mane is on a lion. It's the hair around a lion's face is called the mane, his mane. So mane is mane, mane. So let's say them with me, back to back. On the first one is man, and then mane, man, mane, man, mane. Again, man, mane. Do you feel the difference with your mouth? And the sound, man, a, mane, man and mane. Okay, ears ready. I'll say one of them. You listen. Man. Short and quick. Man. That's number one. Man. Man. Now the other. Long and stretchy. Mane. 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 Number two. So say them both back to back with me. Man, mane, man, mane. Very good. And the answer is man. Yeah, we said man, man, man. Next pair. On the left, a pan for cooking. Pan. P-a-n. Pan, short and quick, pan. On the right, a pane of glass. One little piece of glass in a window is called a pane of glass, a pane of glass. And that's pane. Say them with me. Pan, pane. One more time. Pan, pane. And the E at the end makes that different sound. It changes it from pan, you put the E, it makes it pain, pain. The E changes the A. It changes the vowel. Listen and choose. Here it comes. Here's the word. You tell me which word it is. Pain. Long and stretchy. That's number two. Pain. Now the other one. Pan. Short, quick. Pan. Number one. Pan. Say them both out loud. Pan, pane. Very good. And the word we said was pane, pane. The long one, pane. The long one like a window pane. Say it with me. Pane, pane. Wonderful. This is the last pair. On the left, it's a tap. A tap is a faucet. It's also called a faucet. It's where water comes from. But it's also a tap. If I tap something, I tap it, tap. So it's t, a, p, tap, short and quick, a, t, a, p, tap. Keep the T, as they say, crisp, t, t. Just the t, not t. That would be to-ap. It's t-ap, tap. On the right, the sticky kind, tape. T-a-p, t-a-p, tape, tape. Say tape, tape. Okay, listen again. Listen, what's the word I'm about to say? Listen, it's tap. Which one is that? Short and quick. It's number one, tap. Now the other, tape. Which one is that? Tape. It's long. Tape. Tape. It's number two. Say them both back to back. Tap. Tape. Tap. Tape. Very good. All right, so we are talking about tap. Tap. Great ears. Very good. Excellent job. So the magic E rule, here's the rule. Let's give it a name. I'm going to call it the magic E rule. Here's the rule. You take a word like can, and you add an E to the end, and it changes the sound of the A in can to A, and the word becomes cane. This is the magic. That letter, and you're going to see it a lot in every vowel, that letter, E on the end, the silent letter, will change that middle letter or that vowel before it from a short vowel to a long vowel. You never say it. Shh, you never say the E. Silent. Sometimes you say it, but not in this case. You don't say it. But it reaches back and it changes the sound of that vowel that comes before it. It changes it from a short vowel, for example, A, to a long vowel, A. And A is the name of the letter also. It's very powerful. Say them with me. Cane, main, pane, tape. It's the magic E. The magic E. Okay, quick round. Let's train those ears. Listen to these. I'm going to say a word. You decide, is it short or is it long? I'm going to say the word. You listen to the word, and then you say either short or long. Short, short, long. Okay, here we go. Cane. It's long. A, cane. Tap. Short. Yeah, short. A. Main. Long. It's long. Main. Pan. Short. Yep. A. Yeah, you're hearing it now. The long ones stretch out. They have a different sound. They sound like the letter. Yeah, so it's like A or A. A, A. The short ones are quick. The long ones are a little longer. They have almost two sounds together. Very good. Okay, look, we have 4 magic pairs all in one lesson. Here they are. They go at the top and down below. So let's start with can, cane, man, main, pan, pane, tap, tape. Say it again with me. Here we go again from the very beginning. Can, cane, man, main, pan, pane, tap, tape. Very good. Next time we're going to say all 5 vowels together. We're going to practice that together with the magic E. It's very exciting. Come back.